Another tool in the toolbar is the manipulative tool. So what that does is it helps you insert pictures that students will be able to move. Nothing else on this page would be able to be moved because these are all items that you've added as a teacher, but a manipulative would be able to. This is great for some sort of sorting activity or putting things in order like I have here. So to do this, you'll just click Add Manipulative and you will choose a picture that you've created or that you have taken from somewhere, and you'll be able to select parts of the manipulative that you want to use. So for this one, I used Google Slides, or you can use PowerPoint, to create just a little table where I have all the answers that I'm going to want. That way I don't have to upload multiple pictures. I can just keep coming back to this same one. So I'm going to highlight part of it and add it to this page. And then I'm going to keep going and just go back and add another one until I get all of them added to the same page. From here, I can resize each of my manipulatives to fit better on my page, mix them up so students will be able to sort them correctly. These do not auto-grade. However, you can change the point value in the corner, and that way you'll be able to quickly grade and you can give your kids points for how many they get correct.